What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl CB here. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. For those who have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, liking, share. Keep the conversation going on the comment section. And on today's video, we are going to do vegetable rice with chicken. And I'll go straight away to our today's ingredients. We have the pre-boiled chicken. I've already boiled my chicken in it's ready. Then we have half kg of rice. We have cooking oil, salt, homemade tomato paste, garlic, chicken masala. We have curry powder. We have chicken mchuzi mix, chopped tomatoes, chopped carrots, pre-boiled minji. They are called peas also. Chopped red onion. We have our coriander. I've divided it into two. We have the leaves and the stem. I know some people will ask why we've divided these two. This one, it has a very nice aroma when you cook it. This one is just for garnishing, but this one you're going to cook it with your onions. So we are going to start by washing our rice. So our rice is clean. Next, we are going to light our flame. And in our pot, we've put 4 cups of water. That is equivalent to 2. The rice is 2 cups, so the water I've doubled it. But if you don't want to double, if you're going to soak your rice for 15 minutes, then you do 3 cups instead of 4. Because once you've soaked, it will start rising, the rice will start rising. So here I've put 4 cups because I'm not soaking my rice. So in this water, I'll just let it heat a little bit. Then I'll add in my cooking oil and salt. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of salt, then I'm going to add in some oil, cooking oil, just enough. For me, I add my salt and cooking oil at this point before the water boils, because I want the cooking oil to boil together with the water. But you can also just let the water boil and put your cooking oil. It depends on how you prefer your water to be. As we wait for our water to boil, I'm going to prep my chicken. So first I'm going to light my fire. And onto our pot, we are going to add in some cooking oil, about 2 tablespoons. Then we are going to add in our chopped onions. You need to be generous with your onion. Remember, onion is the one that gives the chicken the aroma. It gives your food the aroma. So you need to put a lot of onions. I will let this cook until it's translucent. So I'm going to cover my pot and let it cook for some time. So our water has boiled. We are going to add in our rice. So you can add some oil. So you're going to add in these ones so that they can cook with the onion. Once they are well combined, I'm going to add in my tomatoes. So we are going to check on our rice, and you can see it's ready. So I'm going to switch off the flame. And transfer this to a bowl. So once it has cooked down, I'm going to add in our pre-boiled chicken. Here we are going to add in just little water. So we are going to cover this and let it simmer for 2 minutes because the chicken is ready. We were just stewing it up. So we are going to cover it for 2 minutes for it to simmer. So I'm going to switch off my fire, then garnish. With our coriander leaves. We just want it to steam with that. With this steam, we are not going to cook them down because we want the flavors. And our chicken stew is ready. On the same pot, we are going to add in some oil. Then add in our onion, chopped onions. Then we're going to add in our carrots. We're going to cook it, but not fully cooked because we want them to be crunchy. Our carrots are slightly cooked. So we are going to add in our pre-boiled peas. And you can see the colors are coming out nicely. That is the main idea for vegetable rice. So I'm going to add in a tablespoon of salt. Remember, our rice has salt. So I'm going to add in now our rice, the cooked rice. So we're going to serve our rice. And our chicken. So and there we have our vegetable rice and our chicken, and it looks so nice, so colorful, and it's very easy to prepare, as you've seen. So we're just going to taste. The vegetables are so crunchy and they are very nice. If you want to be my taster, actually comment on the comment section so that you can come and taste my food. Also go and try making this. As you can see, it's a quick fix. In this channel we show you how to avoid going to the big hotels to cook food, to get food. So try this and tell me how it goes. Let's get the conversation in the comment section. For those who have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like, share. Also comment the next recipe that you want me to try, and continue subscribing. Comment the next guest that you want me to bring on my show, or the next recipe you want me to do. Let's keep subscribing. Let's keep the conversation going. And also follow me on all my social media platforms. They'll be attached on the screen here. See you on my next video.